Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos crunchy. We'll explore 3 primary methods to achieve that perfect crispness: frying, baking, and toasting. Each technique offers a distinct texture and preparation style, allowing you to choose what best suits your taste and time. We'll cover the essential steps for each, ensuring your taco shells are delightfully crunchy every time you make them. Let's dive into the details. For the ultimate crunch, frying is a classic choice. Begin by heating about 1/2 inch of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a skillet to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 1 tortilla at a time into the hot oil, frying for 20 to 30 seconds on each side until it turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes firm. Remember to drain them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. If you prefer a lighter, less oily crunch, baking is an excellent alternative. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To achieve that iconic taco shape, simply drape your corn tortillas over 2 bars of your oven rack. Bake them for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until they are perfectly golden and crisp. This method yields a satisfying crunch without the need for much oil. To ensure your tacos stay delightfully crunchy, timing is absolutely key. Always serve them as soon as possible after preparing the shells, as moisture from fillings can quickly soften them. Overfilling your tacos can also lead to sogginess, so be mindful of your portions. For baked shells, a very light brush of oil on each side before baking can significantly enhance their crispness and golden color. Enjoy your perfectly crunchy tacos every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.